New at 5, an Alabama man appears in court for the very first time since police say that he was found squatting at a home in Mason. This is a story we had first for you here on the alert desk at Fox 19. Ladarius Gaston was previously arrested and indicted. Today, he appeared in court for his arraignment on charges of burglary, criminal damaging, and possessing criminal tools. Ken Brown has been following the story for us and joins us now live in Lebanon, where he drove at least 6 hours to appear in court today. Ken.
Yeah, quite the drive. And this story started back in September when police and prosecutors say that Gaston allegedly tried to steal the home of an elderly woman through something called adverse possession.
State of Ohio versus Ladarius Gaston.
This is Ladarius Gaston appearing before a judge for his arraignment after Mason police found him allegedly trying to steal the home of an 87-year-old woman who was away in Florida. Today, the prosecution presented him with documentation of what he's accused of doing, and the judge had him look it over in the courtroom.
Definitely documented now. Definitely. I also brought evidence to it.
Yep. Just read through it and tell me that you've read it.
Yes, ma'am.
Mason police and prosecutor Dave Fornshell have said Gaston broke into the home in September and tried to, quote, lay claim to the property, end quote, or claim adverse possession of it, or squatter's rights, something prosecutor Fornshell says would have taken decades of living in the home for him to achieve. Police say Gaston even hired a dumpster rental company to remove the homeowner's personal property, but those efforts came to an end when a neighbor spotted the strange activity and told the homeowner, who then called police. The judge did sign a no-contact order for Gaston and the victim.
I'm going to grant the state's request for no contact with. Do you know who that is?
I was looking for her. That's the whole reason we're going through this.
Okay, well, don't look for her anymore because you're not to have any contact with her, okay?
Originally, Gaston posted $30,000 bail and was released from jail after his arrest. That bond was later revoked, so Gaston drove for hours up to Lebanon to appear in person today.
Well, I gather that you drove all the way from Alabama to be here today, right?
On time, so anybody come for dating, they don't have an excuse.
That bond was reinstated by the judge today, meaning Gaston was able to walk out of court after the proceedings today. And as far as attorneys go, he was assigned a public defender. We did reach out to that public defender today, but have not yet heard back. Reporting live in Lebanon, Ken Brown, Fox 19 Now.